Hey there! In this tutorial, I would like to show you very quickly how we can make two y-axis plots by using QTIPlot. So to do this, the example I'm going to use is we are going to plot two properties for liquid ethanol. We want to plot it in a single plot. Here we have viscosity and density and how these properties change with respect to temperature. So we can already see that the data for these properties, the order of magnitude of the values are very different. So then we can expect that the visualization of the data, if we just plot like that, is going to be not that clear, not that readable. That's the reason we would like to use two y-axis. So let's do that. In this case, we are going to plot. Before doing that, we have to be sure that we have already assigned the axis to our columns. In this case, temperature is on the x-axis, and viscosity and density, they both should be assigned to the y-axis. Now we select, we go to plot. In this case, we want to do line, so click on line, and here we have the plot. As we can see, for the case of the viscosity, that is the property with the lower order of magnitude in the values, we can not see anything. So that's the reason we are going to improve this by selecting here, then right click, properties, then we go to, in this case, let's click on the table for density, and we go to axis, and here we can just assign the axis. In this case, let's do right, apply, close, and now we have a two y-axis plot. Here you can also just play with this to make it prettier, to change the style. Again, we can do it just with double click fast. Here, as we can see, there is already like a style that is by default. I have already explained in a previous video how we can do that. Another thing I would like to show you is in the case we are working with logarithmic with a logarithmic scale, we can also do that here in QTI. We just have to select here on the axis. We can just do double click fast or right click in properties as you prefer, and we go here to the option scale, and here we can just select the option of the scale we would like to work with. And that's it.